These are my FatBoy battery terminals. 3 posts on top, 3 holes on the side. They're threaded on the side for tightening with tapered bore post holes, so it makes a tight fit on both the negative and the positive cable. As you can see here, they're tapered. This is a 2-gauge wire. Unstripped with plenty of room, it slides right in. Next up, a small wire. No problem, just clamp down on it. The flanged top nut will lock it in place. Next, we have a heavy cable. I've got it stripped already. As you can see, this is a pretty thick heavy equipment cable. I'm going to use the side hole. And clamp right down on it. And use the flange nut and lock it in place. Next, we have this cable. It's too thick for side hole, but it will fit nice on the top post. Let me grab the positive post and put it right on top of the positive terminal. It's a very thick cable. Need a little more room on the stud. So let's back the stud out. And lock it in place, and you still have room on the top and side for more wires. Made out of 6061 aluminum. All the hardware is stainless steel. And all the threads are machined in place. If threads ever get damaged, you could just add a nut to the outside. This is flange nut, of course. I don't have a regular nut, but you could easily just put a regular nut on the side. We have 3D printed shipping holders to lock them in place for shipping. Let me throw it in the box. Close it up. Label on the front. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to let you know about new videos.